Hello everybody. I know it's been a while. Happy New Year. I hope you enjoyed your holidays. I'm going to be making coconut tortillas. I already made a video in Spanish. That's why you see the bowl not 100% clean, because I just made a dough. So here I have 1 cup of coconut. We're going to add the dry ingredients first. Next we're going to add 4 tablespoons of psyllium husk, 4, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, which I'm using the same. There you go. And then the rest is up to you. I'm going to add some salt to taste. I'm going to add, you can add chives. I added chives to the Spanish video, but this one I'm going to add some parsley, just a little bit, and a little bit of garlic powder, just a bit. You don't have to add these if you don't want to. It's just my taste. And we're gonna add a pinch of cumin, and I'm going to add a pinch of turmeric. Just a little pinch, just a little bit. I don't want too much. Okay, so that's the dry ingredients. Okay, now we're going to add 4 eggs. Okay, and we're going to mix this up. And we're going to add hot water, or you can add coconut milk, almond milk, but it has to be hot. I mean, like boiling hot. I'm adding boiling hot water, 1 cup and half. Okay, so this, we're going to stir it up, mix it up well until it looks like a dough. It's very simple as that. The secret ingredient that pulls everything together is the psyllium husk. I don't know who came up with this recipe, but if I know who it is, I would mention her name and thank that person, because I did not come up with this recipe, so I'm not going to take the credit for it. Let me add just that tablespoon that's there extra. So you just want it to turn into a nice dough consistency, and that turmeric made it look yellow, which I appreciate. A little different, you know, a little something different. Okay, so now with your clean hands, you're going to just knead it a little more, right? Now, right now it's not that hot because it's being already mixed all over. It's not that hot. It is hot, but not too much to jump. We'll just knead it a little more, blend everything up together. So, there we go. All done. Okay, we have our nice, lovely dough. Okay, so you're going to grab your tortilla press. You need a plastic film, 1 for the top and 1 for the bottom. I just have 1 whole piece and just fold it in half, and that way I don't deal with, you know, that's what I do. Or if you don't have one, you're gonna need same thing still, 2 pieces of plastic and a rolling pin, and just put your dough there, and then cover it with the other plastic, and then just start rolling them. Okay, and try to roll them round. Which I never was perfect on the round part. Alright, so let's start. Grab the dough, a nice ball, and just put it in the middle. I think it's too big, but anyways. And then close this, and then press. Whoa. Yeah, too big. Maybe I should turn it this way. Okay, and then press again. Just one more time. I just do a little bit because this side is still thick. And there we go. So I lift up first one side, then turn it, then lift up the other side. Okay, and then we're going to put this in the pan. You should have your pan heated up already, and just kind of peel it up like that and put it on the pan. On my first one, since I'm doing 2 videos, 1 English, 1 Spanish, on my first one I did put a bit of oil, just a few drops, like maybe 4 drops, and then I put it there. So now we're gonna wait for it to be nice and golden, then turn it. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to do all of them the same way. And I'm going to speed up the video so it's not too long, the video. So once you see it kind of puffing up, it's almost ready to turn. And they are flexible, very nice. You can do wraps. You can make it thinner if you want. This one's a bit too thick. It's almost like a naan bread. Of course, naan is with yogurt. So there's an idea there. You can add yogurt. And you can put it in a container with a towel to not have it dry out too fast. See how it puffs up? It's so beautiful, beautiful. And I'm going to put it in my tortillero, which is a plastic container with a lid. It comes with a lid and you just cover it so it doesn't dry out, right? And this should be ready. All right, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to fast forward the video. Here is the results. I got 7 tortillas out of the 1 cup. I know I could have gotten more tortillas if I made them thinner. I made it thicker because it's mostly for my son and he loses weight really quicker than I do, so it's mostly for him. I would rather have almonds since it's lower in carbs. And for him, it's not difficult to lose weight because he's young. I'm not young anymore. My metabolism is more slower. So I got 7 tortillas out of the 1 cup. So you divide that into in Low Carb Manager. If you have Low Carb Manager app or the Fitness Pal, it will tell you. I got like 3 carbs for each tortilla, 3 point something. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe and I hope you try it out. Share the video, comment below, subscribe if you're new, and don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you all for watching and hope to see you again on the next video. Bye!